36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While of course in session, no reading, walking, talking, sleeping, driving, or eating. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Cutway. Let me just make sure I see another thing that is not on the docket. Let me see what's going on with this other ticket for Ms. Roberts.
Oh. She did advise me, Judge, she just came down and paid $847 on other matters, so it might be closed, I hope.
No, it's not.
Oh.
Yeah, it's not. It might have. It's not. Oh wait, no, this was dismissed. It is closed.
Because I was about to say, because then.
No, Miss Robinson, you have a right to remain silent. Don't give it up.
Okay. All right. This is the People versus Gwendolyn Robinson, ticket number SP 1287467, count 1, drove by license not valid or proper license. The one, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Judge. I'm Daniel Wozak on her behalf. Miss Robinson, now you can speak. Please tell the judge your name.
Gwendolyn Robinson.
Your Honor, I was able to verify she does have a Michigan driver's license issued May 14, 2022. She simply didn't have it on her that day, and she has paid $847 in other matters. Given the proper document, I'm going to ask the court to dismiss the matter.
Do you stipulate proper cause, Mr. Wozak?
Yes, Judge, I do.
All right, sorry, this is by prejudice. You're all set. Ms. Robinson, good luck to you.
Miss Robinson, you've been very patient. Thank you so much. You're free to go.
Thank you. Mozzie, I'm old. How do I leave out of here?
I'll remove you, Miss Robinson.
Your Honor, I am prepared with Miss Davis.
This is the People versus Maisha Davis, ticket number SP 1398968, count 1, unregistered.
And long story.
Wait, hold on. Let me view account. Okay, you said SP 1398968, count 1, and then I didn't hear it.
Drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Morning, Your Honor. Attorney Ali Barrow, PA 5907. Ms. Davis, can you state your name for the record?
Maisha Davis.
Thank you, ma'am. Your Honor, I did have an opportunity to review the documentation presented by Ms. Davis, and as an officer of the court, I can tell you that she is in compliance with the registration.
You stipulate your proper cause, Mr. Barrow?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice as Ms. Davis has provided valid documentation. You are all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
All right, what about Irma Roberts? Are we ready on that one?
That was the one, Your Honor, where you indicated that there was multiple violations or defaults, and we were going to get a global resolution.
I don't even see her. Where is she?
I think she's in the latter portion of the breakout rooms, 20. Let me see.
I think she left.
Bobby did. Bobby left.
Where is that for trial?
No, sure, she was here. Also, Your Honor, Diamond Reynolds, I believe she was an individual that was not on the docket.
Right. No, she's on the docket. She's on the docket. She just she's at 8:35. She's set for a pre-trial. It's just it's the last name is Diamond, and then her first name on the docket.
Oh, Jesus, I was so confused. Okay.
Right.
Yeah. Maybe failed to display.
FTD dismissal of the rest, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me convey that.
Yeah. So I don't know what happened to Irma Roberts. She's not here. So I mean, I got Corporal Bennett waiting.
Hold on a moment.
Are you guys ready to Sherelle Daniels or?
Ms. Daniels, mute your device, please. That's the one that we're waiting on, Ms. Warren. If whether she'll stipulate to dismissal.
Go into room number 1 and talk to Ms. Horn. Are you ready, Mr. Leonard?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm going to be asking for an adjournment. The prosecutor has no objection. I'm seeking a policy deviation, and there are some evidentiary issues which may result in a motion being filed.
All right.
Okay, I'm trying to bring out Mr. Ricks. Okay. Mr. Ricks, turn on your video, please.
All right, this is,
Oh,
go ahead.
36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there is absolutely no walking around, talking, reading, eating, sleeping, smoking, or driving. When your name is called, please unmute your device and mute it and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the people versus Christopher Ricks, ticket number Z808778, count 1, operating while intoxicated. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, for the record, my name is Edwin Leonard. I'm the attorney for Mr. Ricks, who appears with us via Zoom this morning. Today was a date and time set for pretrial. Judge, I've had an opportunity to discuss the case with the assistant city attorney. I'm asking for an adjournment. Ms. Horn has advised me that she has no objection. There are some evidentiary issues, and I intend to write a letter requesting a deviation. So that's where it stands right now, Judge, and I'd appreciate it if you could adjourn it for not less than a month.
All right, so the court will adjourn until April 5th at 8:35.
Your Honor, can you adjourn it a little bit longer than that?
That's a month.
No, I understand.
April 12th,
That would be better for me if you can do it, Judge.
April 12th at 8:35.
Thank you, Your Honor. It's a pleasure.
Quiet, thank you. Good luck, Mr. Ricks.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You can leave, Mr. Ricks. We'll see you in April.
Same court, same
Yes.
courtroom?
Yes,
Okay, thank you.
you're welcome.
Your Honor, that'll be the same Zoom ID number, correct?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
So,
You're
I
on.
guess, yes.
Your Honor, with my apologies, I did bring Mr. Dingman back into the courtroom. We were hoping for a simple approval of 1-for-1. And Ms. Horn had to take a break. I couldn't verify that yet. They are both enter without permission tickets, one from 2016, one from 2019.
So her offer is plea to the one from 2020 to disorderly conduct and then dismissing the other one.
Yes, Judge, that's. Oh, yes. Mr. Dingman, they're going to amend the the enter without permission to disorderly conduct. And that way it'll lessen the impact on you and we'll just pay one, dismiss one. That's what we agreed to, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. This is the people versus Gage Dingman, ticket number U5643152, count 1, entering without owner's written permission, and ticket number U2212815, count 1, enter without owner's written permission or authorization. Good morning. Please say your names for the record.
I'm Daniel
Gage.
Wozak with the defendant. Mr. Dingman, will you tell the judge your name now, please?
Gage Dingman.
We're willing to accept that offer, Judge.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Dingman. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Wozak, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Pleading your free will.
Yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna direct your attention to March 3rd, 2020 at 3:30 PM. On that date and time, were you at or near 15039 Eastwood in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And had you entered that location, whatever building or home, whatever at that location, did you enter it without the owner's written permission?
Yeah. I mean, it was an abandoned house. I mean, I didn't know it was owned, but yes.
All right, you're satisfied, Mr. Wazir?
I am satisfied, Judge.
Of course, also satisfied the factual basis will amend the count to disorderly conduct. Do you stipulate to probable cause as the remaining ticket to be dismissed without prejudice?
I do, Judge. Thank you. I stipulate.
Is dismissed without prejudice will proceed to sentencing. There is a $200 fine, Mr. Dingman. Can you have that fine paid by April 10th?
April. Can you give me a little bit longer because I got a $175 impeding traffic ticket I got to pay within 30 days to Detroit.
May 10th?
Yes, ma'am. And then so I posted $100 bond, so all I gotta do is come pay $100.
Yes, so I'll put a $5 bond, yes.
Okay.
Any other questions, sir?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Corporal Bennett, I guess you could go, because I don't know what happened to Irma Roberts, and we'll just give her a date of March 22nd.
Yes, Your Honor, March 22nd. Okay.
Could we just put some on the record, because since she showed up? and-
Yes. All right, this is the people versus Irma Roberts, or SP 1. Hold on, I should have the right case. SP 140127111, drove while license not valid, and count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Yes, Your Honor, Corporal Daryl Bennett, badge 4320, Detroit Police Department.
So Ms. Roberts was present. I don't know what happened to her. She's just kind of disappeared. I don't know if she had a bad connection. So we'll adjourn her matter and set her for trial on March 22nd. She does have some cases that are in warrant status, so the court will also, and I'll call them, ticket number SP 1079532, count 1, driving register or entitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and ticket number SP 988515, count 1, theft display, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. All these matters will be sent for a bench trial on March 22nd at 9. Thank you.
Yes, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you, Corporal.
Thank you, ma'am.
And Mr. Barrow, what was your client's name again? Was it Davison?
No, that's Cheryl Danielle.
Daniel. Okay. Yes, Your Honor, this matter, the people are moving for dismissal.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Warren.
Yep, you're welcome.
There are two Ms. Daniels in the courtroom. Please
Oh,
don't get them
Cheryl
confused.
Daniels.
Yeah,
Thank you.
it's not Geneva. This is not Geneva.
Correct.
And did you want to discuss Miss Geneva Daniels, Mr. Wazak?
I didn't know if, had you made an offer into the file?
So failure to display?
Yeah, okay, that'll work.
You know what? I remember this, the end of that case number 5152. I feel like she might have some other matters in there. I'm not sure, but.
All right, this is the people versus Cheryl Daniels, ticket number SP 1161365, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, drove while license not valid or proper license. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Tamika Horn appearing on behalf of the city, P70303.
Ali
Yes.
Bear on behalf of the defendant, PA 5907. Ms. Daniels, state your name for the record.
Yes, I'm here.
Thank you.
State your name, ma'am.
Cheryl Daniels.
Okay. And after discussing this matter with counsel, it appears that Ms. Daniels is well on her way to compliance. So the people are moving to dismiss the no insurance misdemeanor and the license improper in favor of, I believe she's taking her road test and currently has a valid permit, Your Honor.
Mr. Barrow, you stipulate to probable cause.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Ms. Daniels. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Warren. Ms. Daniels, you're free to leave, ma'am. Cases are
Thank
dismissed.
you so much.
You're welcome. Good luck
Yes.
with your road
All
test.
right. Thank you.
No problem.
Bye.
Bye. You're free to leave.
Ms. Horn, are we good on Geneva Daniels for the 2 tickets on the docket?
From 2017, I know you were gonna say that.
I was going to.
Yes.
Given they're from 2017, can we do an improper plates on the no insurance and dismiss the license?
Absolutely. If that's what she wants to do, unless she wants to come back and we can do it like the other ones we've done where we set it for trial and rely on the officer's memory.
It's up to you, Ms. Daniels. Get a new court date or pay one of the tickets with no points.
Pay the tickets with no points.
Thank you. We can proceed, Judge.
People versus Geneva Daniels, ticket number 17365-985, count 1, no insurance, count 2, no operator's license in session. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, good morning. Tamika Horn appearing on behalf of the people, P70303.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daniel Wazak, P35225 with Geneva Daniels. Ms. Daniels, please tell the judge your name.
Geneva Daniels.
Your Honor, my client would like to accept a plea offer from the city. No insurance would be amended to improper plates. The other matter dismissed.
Raise your hand, Ms. Daniels. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Wozniak in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
I want to plead not guilty.
Oh.
On my own free will.
So you want to set this for trial?
Yes, I think I should, because yeah.
You want to set this for a bench trial, or did you want a jury trial? Bench trial?
By
said a
bench
bench
trial, Ms.
trial?
Daniels, she meets just with the judge deciding the case instead of a jury. Is that okay?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
All right, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea. Set this for a bench trial date for March 22nd at 9 o'clock.
March 22nd, 9 a.m.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Thank you, ma'am.
You can leave, Ms. Daniels.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, I am prepared with Ms. Robinson. That's going to be a bench trial date.
Ms. Robinson, could you turn video? Okay.
This is the people versus Lakeisha Robinson. Ticket number SP 1352688, count one, driver's license never acquired. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Morning, Your
Lakeisha
Honor.
Robinson.
Bureau PA 5907, appearing on behalf of Ms. Robinson. Ma'am, state your name for the record. Ms. Robinson? State your name.
Ma'am, Lakeisha Robinson.
Thank you, ma'am. Your Honor, I had an opportunity to speak with Ms. Robinson, and at this time, we are requesting a bench trial date, please.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Robinson. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
Put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
no,
All right, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set this for a bench trial date for March 22nd at 9 o'clock.
March 22nd at 9 o'clock.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I need something for that so I can take to work, and I just had to change the address. So is there a way that I can leave my address with y'all, or is it a specific way that I have to do it?
So you can go online. I will wait till maybe tomorrow, but you can go online and print out your court dates and all that you got going on.
Okay, and you said March 22nd at 9 o'clock.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Okay, so Ms. Horn, I have two final matters. One of them I have an offer, but she's been unresponsive. The last one is a Lucas Drysdale, Ms. Horn. Whenever you can, we can discuss that, please.